8:30 p.m. and today I believe it's 18th of April 2022. Today is a Monday. So welcome back to the channel, guys, and this video I'm gonna talk about something very special related to motovlogging and related to action cameras particularly. So it's gonna be a mixed bag for everything. So I've been motovlogging with this GoPro Hero 7 Black for almost like 5 years now, and it is still a performer. I mean, it has a lot of problems though, like it hangs n number of times during a particular motovlog or a trip. It happened during the Ladakh trip, it happened even during the Gwaldam trip, even local rides में भी ये मैंने नोटिस किया है कि ये रिकॉर्ड तो कर लेगा. मतलब जब आप मानो कि आपने रिकॉर्ड बटन दबाया and the camera started recording, it's recording and you're talking to the camera and blah blah blah, the motovlogging mode on. When you come back, when you see the footage, that's when the problem happens. What happens, it keeps on recording the video in a single frame, so the video is stuck basically. चलते चलते अचानक एक particular frame के मानो कि ये रुक गया है and the audio is going on. So whatever you're talking, the audio is going on, just like it is happening right now, as you can hear me talking, but then again the frame is stuck. So exactly ऐसा ही होता है. Many a time this has happened, and if I have the folders, I will share the folder in screenshot or like a screen recording of that. I have so many videos which are marked as partially stuck like that. ऐसा बहुत बार हुआ है. बहुत सारे footage जिसके कारण मैं use नहीं कर पाया हूँ from my Ladakh trip, from my Gwaldam trip, and even the day-to-day vlogs that I occasionally shoot. Have a plans to change this. I'm not sure to the 9 or to the 10. But in the house today we have the GoPro Hero 10. Now don't get surprised and don't get excited that I have invested in a GoPro Hero 10. No, this is a friend's GoPro Hero 10, my boss actually. So thank you for the camera, because I was testing a different microphone. This is also my boss's. I was testing this on the GoPro Hero 7. What I found that the GoPro Hero 7, I mean, it has a very unique or very strange, I would say, tendency of throwing the audio from left channel to right channel. Automatically ये decide करता है कि कौन सा mic, I mean अजीब ही होता है ये. Audio keeps traveling from one left ear to right ear automatically as you brake, as you move. Some testing in another microphone. It's a new microphone and it's slightly on the expensive side of the curve, and I believe it's made by Sony. It's not mine. I just wanted to see whether if this makes any difference or not. I believe it's somewhere around in the price range of 1800, and it's a different looking mic, as you will see, or as you are seeing in the B-roll. And this was my old mic that I was using, which was used so far in all the vlogs, and when it works it's fine, but sometimes it picks up static. So I was on the lookout of a better microphone, but at the same time not a very expensive one. But if it is worth the price, then I am ready to shell out the money. Dashboard of this Adventure 250, that actually dims down and brightens up as per the ambient light. I don't know what exactly is the setting, if I need to change anything on my behalf. I did my search on Google, on YouTube, but then again, not convincing information is what I found. By the way, कितना size में difference देखो. So this is the 7, this is the 7, this is the 10. Oh, इस साइड लिखा है. हाँ, तो दोनों में काफी अंतर है साइज का. ऊपर नीचे करके भी देख लो चाहो तो. It's like huge if I compare it with the Hero 7 Black. So this is the Hero 10 audio adapter and this is the Hero 7 Black audio adapter. Same company, Ulanzi. Now किस पे माउंट करूँगा वो भी दिखा रहा हूँ. तो आप लोग जानते ही हो कि मैं AGV यूज़ करता हूँ, and yeah, this is a prized possession of mine, and I saved and I bought this helmet because of this gentleman, the Dr. Valentino Rossi. I'm a fan of him, like you all are most probably. and this was on my bucket list for a long time. In case you're wondering which is this one, this is the Sena Parani M10. I'm happy with the performance. You will again find many varied information on website. I have tested this with Chandan, and we have been in contact for almost a 1 kilometer, slightly above 1 kilometer range, and even then we were crystal clear on communication. That's the thing. And this is the adapter that I've been using. This is the telesin mount, and this is how I've connected it. This is not the straight up position, this is the inverted position. All my trips that you have seen so far, all the day-to-day vlogs and everything, all from the same setup. So rather than putting on the GoPro mount to my new helmet, dikha raha hu, hold on, I will probably go ahead and unmount this one from the AGV, also clean up because too many dust is here, and then put it on the new helmet. न्यू हेलमेट क्या है दिखा रहा हूँ. इंस्टाग्राम पे मैंने शेयर किया था ना टीजर, एक ऑफ रोड हेलमेट लिया मैंने. नॉट दैट कि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा रेगुलर ऑफ रोडिंग कर रहा हूँ और करने वाला हूँ, आई एम ए सुपर ऑफ रोडर एनीथिंग लाइक दैट. This helmet is something which caught my attention, and I like the design of the helmet. Coincidentally, absolutely coincidentally, it matches with the current color scheme of my bike, because as you guys know, I got it tank wrapped, and it's in blue, orange and black, and this helmet absolutely in stock form comes in that color. It is just a 2114 rupees wala helmet. So here it is, unveiling it. This is the Vega, नाम भूल जाता हूँ, स्क्रीन पे लिख दूंगा, वेगा ऑफ रोड डीवी करके एक है. एंड बहुत टाइम से मन था एक ऑफ रोड हेलमेट लूँगा, बट बहुत ज़्यादा इन्वेस्ट करने का मन भी नहीं है. एंड सो दिस इज़ द वन दैट आई एम यूजिंग. सो इसमें मोस्ट प्रोबेबली मैं सामने ये टेलीसिन का माउंट यूज़ करूँगा, और मे बी ऊपर भी यहाँ पे कहीं पे कोई माउंट लगाऊँगा मैं, और उस पर मैं भी फ्यूचर में इंस्टा 360 लगाऊंगा. इसमें भी वो डिफरेंट स्टोरी. एंड इट ऑल्सो नीड्स टू बी इक्विप्ड विद ब्लूटूथ. राइट नाउ इट हैज़ गॉट नो ब्लूटूथ. और ये जो स्टिकर है, ये मेरे स्टिकर्स प्रिंटेड थे, इसको मैंने ऐसे ही यहाँ पे काट के यहाँ पे लग दिया. कोइंसिडेंटली दैट ऑल्सो मैच्ड विद द डिज़ाइन टेक्सचर ऑफ दिस हेलमेट. सो कैसा लगा बताना कमेंट में. So this is for the first time I am vlogging on the Hero 10, GoPro Hero 10 this is I'm vlogging with. The GoPro is now set to 2.7K because it was initially set to 4K 60 FPS. I've changed it over to 2.7K for 60 FPS. Try to put this as a comparative study because India में बहुत लोगों ने GoPro Hero 10 तो लिया नहीं है, जहाँ तक मैंने देखा है ऑन यूट्यूब. एक ख़तरनाक वाला स्प्लेंडर दिखा रहा हूँ, रुक जाओ, अगर जा पाता. वो साला निकल गया लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में, तो मॉडिफिकेशन देख के मैं हंस दिया. अब देखो सामने, एक तो इसमें मडगार्ड नामक कोई चीज़ नहीं है, नहीं स्किनी डायना. जस्ट वॉच द एग्जॉस्ट, सीरियसली. It would be interesting to see how the GoPro is picking it up with the different scenarios, like sudden light से darkness में जाने के बाद how's the dynamic range reacting, because apparently this is the costliest GoPro. Amazon में तो 55,000 का बिकता है ये. 1, 2, 3. So I'm recording using both the GoPro Hero 10 and the GoPro Hero 7 Black. And this is a kind of low light footage. This is the basement 1 of the parking lot. Both the cameras are set to 4K 30 frames per second super view mode. There is no microphone connected to any of them. So ये दोनों अभी selfie mode पे है. On my left hand, which could be your right, is the Hero 7 Black, the old one. My right hand is the Hero 10 Black. Both are inside the respective Ulanzi cases. So this is how artificial low light and human subject would look like. Normally I shoot in 2.7K, but right now I've changed Hero 7 Black to the 4K setting. So this is the Hero 10 Black, this is the Hero 7 Black.